Are we live? Okay, sorry, we are. Let's check. Okay, we are live. Sorry. Okay. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So we're just going to be doing like some troubleshooting that you guys need or anything. Like just I'm gonna be here in the chat, reading your chats, any comments or anything. Go ahead and post if you have any issues or problems, and I'll try to get them and fix them. What is this? Oh, that's cool. Sorry, questions. Okay, that's great. Now we just want people here to start commenting if they have any computer issues, and I'll try to see if I can help them. If it's similar in my way, I'll be using virtual machines or just make one. Just leave this here. I only have one monitor, I don't really have two. So I'll just focus here. Is this running here? Okay, yeah, I'll just have to fix this later on. Let's get my other ISOs. To anybody that is watching, if you have any issues, so just say them in the chat and I'll see how I can fix it anyway. If it's needed, I have another computer set up for remote if that's needed, but I'm pretty sure it's not. Okay. Okay, I'm not sure about that. That's right. Let's just get my ISOs here. And let's just install Windows for now. Let's do Windows 10. Let's just copy it. Okay, let's see. I want to see everybody's messages for this. Since it's the stream. I'm not sure about this. I'll need to check that later. Okay, this copy. Okay. I do want to try to do this. Any fixing issues with Windows or Linux. So much easier to install Windows for the time being. Just open that. Yep, local install. Browse locally. Oops. Browse. So that way I can just multitask. Okay. That should work. this anymore. Let's just gotta wait for that to finish. To anybody that's watching the chat, thanks for watching, and if you have any issues, just tell them to me in the chat, so I'm able to see if I can actually try to fix your problem if it's any computer issue. Oh, hi there, Michael. I'm just installing Windows 10. I'm also running this stream. If anybody has like computer issues, I could try to resolve them for you and just like simulate the problem. Yeah, that's a cool. Yeah, well, I thought about it. Yes, I have. I have used Promox. I will need to install it right now. Yes. Not sure if this is like lagging or anything, or if you guys can hear me. I should be checking the stream again. I could be wrong. Okay, I think you guys can hear me. So yeah. Setting up a Windows. What? Right now it says message retracted. Oh, okay. What I could do is I could just install Promox on this virtual machine and just run it from there. That'll just take a few moments. I actually have one issue that I can't seem to. I'm on Windows 10 and my Star Menu just stopped working entirely when I press the Windows key. Nothing happens and I can't search anything. I was trying to set up a Windows VM on Promox the other day where GPU was having troubles. Okay, so GPU pass-through. That one's a little bit more difficult. Now for Windows 10 menu, I could try to simulate the problem because that did happen to me, Rutopia. So I would usually use the Windows Troubleshooter, or it's like a service that's just stuck. Like, let me just finish like installing this so I can show you where I mean exactly. Okay, it might solve it, but I'm not 100% sure because it's like it'll try to solve it, and then it says it couldn't fix the specific issue. That type of stuff. So it's random. But I know exactly where you mean, Rutopia. Now, Michael, you're trying to set up GPU pass-through. I only done it twice, but I'm not like 100% sure on how to do it. I had to do more troubleshooting on it because I'm not 100% sure if I can get it to work now. But let's try it out either way. I'll just do this. I'll just install this Windows 10 now, and I'll just also download Promox and run it here using Hyper-V. Oh, you couldn't find any help online? I see. Well, let's just give this like a moment. This should take a little. Well, it's gonna take a while. I can't really skip this. This is live. Whoops. Yeah, no. Set up for organization. So I can just skip the email. I don't want to do that. Local. I always do local when I do this stuff. Domain join. It says domain join, but I'll just skip it. Just put my name there. There. No password. Just hurry up. Could try to do. Yeah, I'll just keep it like this so I can see what you guys are saying. I don't have another monitor. No, I don't want that. Skip. Yep. Skip it. No, I don't want control. Yeah. I do want to ask if you're still here. Does the stream, is it loading alright? Because I'm not really sure. It's saying here that there's issues here. So I would like to see, like to know if it's actually loading alright for you guys. Oh, okay, that's good to know. Okay, perfect. Glad to know that. Perfect. Thank you for your reply. Okay, there we go. Now we have Windows. Okay. Is it done? Okay. Yes. Just install everything that we did. Okay. So it says that the start menu just stopped working entirely. So if I'm not mistaken, mostly when it stopped working, it literally won't open. Like, it was just, you try to click it or whatever, and it does nothing. So what I would basically just do is just try to, if it still doesn't open, I just try to open the control panel. And from here, I would just try to look for the troubleshooter. Wait, I think it's, okay, no, there we go. Now, where was it? Here we go, in troubleshooting. And here, there's supposed to be a little issue. You can go into programs. And, oh no, wait, my mistake. They changed this on Windows, so it has to be in, what is this? No, yes. So now then, what distro I'm on Ubuntu right now. Okay, so no, where was I? Oh yeah, let me just put this in full screen. Okay, now good troubleshooting option settings. Is here a little troubleshooter is fixing run a troubleshooter for PC issues. So no, I do not. I hate when this happens. Yes, I do not want this. Close Windows. Could you please just close? Please close. Okay, there we go. So we usually just try to go here. We usually just try to go here and run a troubleshooter for PC issues. If it loads, maybe. Huh? Nice. For the Ubuntu, if I'm mistaken, I think I am running. Let's see. Mail fetch. Oh, I don't have installed. Okay. I think it's the latest one. I just can't remember right now. But I'll check into that. It says I want to try to run this so I can try to help Rutopia with this issue. Fast fetch? Okay. Really? I don't have those options at the bottom. Oh. You don't? Huh. Then if you don't have those options, okay, then you could try to do with the services. If it with services, okay, wait. Okay, I just had something in my throat. Fast fetch. So I want to try that real quick before I continue on, cause oh, I want to try that. Oh, that's pretty sweet. Oh, that's pretty sweet. I like that. Yeah, there's my 25.10. Oh, that's pretty sweet. Okay, now back to. Oh god, I get distracted so easily. So Rutopia. Okay, so if you don't have that option here in the settings, then the other thing that you could try to run is there's a missing one. It's the search index. So it would be index. Oh god, what was the name of the service? It's a service that it just gets like stuck. Now, if you remember, it's has to do something related with the search bar. If I'm not mistaken. Now it was. Where is it? No, I think it's Windows Search Index. Okay, here it is. Windows Search. This. Okay, so Rutopia, you should check if this is actually doesn't have any issues whatsoever. Check if it's starting or not starting, and maybe that should solve the issue. But this one is already in delay to start. You can try to change it to automatic, and then apply it, and just stop the service. Because I think if I stop it now, I think this should stop working. If I try to... No? Okay. That's odd. Huh? Okay, it should start. Well, obviously, wait, let's try to disable it entirely because I want to try to replicate the issue. See, so Windows search. Okay, now it's disabled, so it shouldn't work. Actually, let's give it a restart. Let's force it to see if it doesn't work. Alfie mention says. As you click the Windows icon instead of the keyboard shortcut. Usually from my experience, when you try to do that, it's supposed to open. If it doesn't do anything, it's like it's stuck. There's something stuck on it. Could be the service, could be something else. But I don't think it could be that. Even though it does seem like a simple thing. But they wanted to try it with the troubleshooter, but Rutobia says he doesn't have the troubleshooter there, here in the settings. Or wait, we could try the control panel here. We could try the control panel here, and go here and where it says troubleshooting. This is basically the same. No, which one? I think it's supposed to be like a program issue. Oh wait, I did disable the service, so it should not be starting. But this shouldn't work for me now, and it's still working. Okay, that's odd. I click on it. There's a short loading symbol next to the mouse, and then nothing happens. That sounds more like it's stuck. It's stuck. Okay, so Windows search didn't do anything on the service. Okay. Because mine is still working. That didn't work. But let's try the other option here. So program compatibility troubleshooter. Now with this, I think let's try to run it as administrator. Next. Now here, this is what I was looking for. Yes, okay. So in settings that you couldn't find the option here, this is what we actually wanted to find. So I usually click not listed, next. Oh wait, no wait, this is different. I can choose the file. No. Okay, there's something that I missed. Wait, I could just check online. Let's see. Okay, I think there's supposed to be. No, it's not that. No. Has to be this one. What was it? No, not that. No, this is what I'm doing right now. Run the search and index troubleshooting. Let's try something different on this. Let's cancel this and open it again. Let's try to go here. No. Oh, for that, what you could do is you can actually hold Shift. If you hold Shift and right click, you'll get different options. Okay, then in that case, let's change your your users. So, okay, the search bar is not working. We will need to find this. Change user account control settings. So that would be here in the control panel. And once you go here, you can just like put this to not notified you. So you'll run everything as administrator and this pop-up will not appear. Like if I do something, it doesn't appear. There's no more pop-up. So now everything that you're gonna run is gonna run from administrator. It's saying it's not recommended, but that's just what I do, just to avoid the little pop-up. Remember that the other person mentioned prongs. Well, that happens. Let's just download it. Yeah, but it can't run as administrator from there. Okay. Put the CMD, type in control. Okay, there's something else that we could try. So we do want to do this. Do want to install Hyper-V. Okay, let's see. Now the other thing that you could try as well. I am trying to make my search bar not work, so I can be at the same thing as you, same issue as you. Because right now it is working. I see if I could try to change something else. Because I'm pretty sure it has to be a service. This one did not work. It's the start menu, so it has to be something different. Usually, okay. No way. Working service. Service net. Start menu, Experian host. Okay. If it's not here, then it has to be in Task Manager. Okay, that means it's Task Manager. So let's open Task Manager. And I gotta find that service. That process, I mean. Has to be here, one of these guys. Oh, that sucks. Well, that's okay. I'm trying to look for this. I am trying to crash it, mine, so I can try to do it. Okay, so you said you can't run it as admin. Okay, wait. Oh, your Windows is in German? Holy crap. Okay, that's interesting. Now let's see if you could try. I'm trying to find this service where it is, and I can't locate it. God damn it. Okay. No, it's not there. Okay, well, I do thank Alfie for trying to help somebody else. That's also that is what I'm doing. Okay, let's see. Can't find that service. It's odd. Okay. Oh no, I don't want to restart the Windows Explorer. Like I could just do, I could just do this here, restart from here, and also destroy everything. That's what I want. But I just want to try to break the start menu experience holes. It says here it's supposed to be a process. Now I'm trying to see if it's maybe. I guess I'm just gonna try to do different ones to see if it crashes the system. Okay, did this finish? Okay, yeah. Actually, let's just restart it to see what's happening. Okay, to anybody that just joined the stream, I'm just trying to. If you have any computer issues or problems that you want to try to see, well, just tell them in the chat so I can try to see if I can fix them for you, or just have the same issue and see how we can solve it. Right now we were trying to do a search issue, but we try to find alternative ways, but still no success. Somebody else did mention Promux. I think that was, where was it? Michael, but I haven't seen another chat from him. But that's too bad, Rotopia. Hey man, I'll try to keep the stream running. So if you are back, I'll just read back in the chat, and we can try again a different way. Cause I will be trying this for a long time. That could work. Oh, we could try to do it like that. Hi Mike, thanks for joining the stream. And Don EMV, thanks for joining as well. Okay, so Okay, you said sending task kills. Well, that could work to destroy it. Huh? Mikael. Okay, I have an old MSI motherboard, and when I put on XMP, it works. But after restart, XMP goes to default again. Updated BIOS to the latest version. Okay, that's mostly a. Okay, if so, that's basically for your RAM. You might have a RAM issue. Have you tried to do a RAM test on it to see if the memory is alright? As in, like, remove RAM from your motherboard logically, and try to put it back on to see if there's any improvement. Because you're trying to get like a specific speed. If it goes back to default, it might be that you have a RAM issue. I'm not 100% sure, but that's mostly the case. So you could try that, Mikael. Try on a different computer, check the motherboard, and try to see if it actually stays on the default. I'm sorry, I meant try to see if it stays on the current speed that you want to keep it. Hello, C. Whaley. Okay, so I want to try Alfie's method. So I'm pretty sure that will kill it. Well, I'll kill the Explorer, but that's more terminal. Let's try. No, let's try that. Because I could just use task kill. Do a double kill. It says okay, that way. Double. // could be this. Okay, no, I think I put something wrong. Okay. Card talk buys, that's cool. Well guys, if you really have any issues, I'll just try to install anything possible and try to recreate the problem and try to fix it out. Space between out. Okay, so that did work. So we can just start it up again. Okay, yeah, that works. But I'm pretty sure that could have fixed, maybe that could have fixed the start menu issue, but mine is still working. Okay, now I know. I'm gonna keep that in mind. I'm gonna make a notepad about this. That resets it could maybe work. It's a possibility, but we couldn't be sure since he already left. But I'll keep that in mind because I'm just putting notepads on everything that I'm doing right now. So I'm gonna actually keep this one in mind because this does kill it. It kills the Explorer, but we can still be running the system with no issues like this. I could even just open MS Paint, for example. Let's just run the entire system without the Explorer if we wanted to. So, oops, I want to shut it down. But I am gonna keep this. Possible fixes. I'll keep that one there. Now, they wanted to also run a Promax on this, if any. somebody else. They mentioned Promax the GPU pass-through. I'm not 100% sure if it could work. Well, let's try it out either way. Let's see. Hello, Nito. You. Welcome to the stream. Again, to anybody new. Wait, Nito says. Oh wait, I didn't read that one. I have an issue that is driving me crazy with an Elan touchpad in Arc Linux. Can't get it to work. What do you mean exactly? As in, the left or right function is not working, or something different? Could you be a little bit more specific on that part, Nito? You. Oh, browser crash. Okay. And so basically this stream, so if you have any computer issues or problems that you have right now, I'll try to recreate it, or I think might have a way on how to fix it. So yes, just put in your thoughts or comments, and I'll try to recreate the problem either way. Or if it's something simple, then it's simple. But yes, basically this stream is just me trying to see if I can help you guys in any problems, and I'll try to fix it. Any computer problems right now could be simple or complicated, but hey, I'm not 100% sure on how it's done, but I can try to make it work. I am new. How does the mechanism works for the fixes? I am excited. These kinds of streams are gold. Mechanic work for fixes. How does the mechanic work for fixes? I mean, well, okay, Nito, I'm not 100% sure on what you're trying to say. Okay, so you have an HP Pelion laptop, so I'm guessing it's running Arch Linux. So when you say you have a mouse issue that it's not working, as in it's not working, as in left click, right click, or it just doesn't want to detect it? Okay, so the touchpad does work, but you can't get it to work on our Linux. So another OS, so it does work when you try to install Windows on it. Oh, that's pretty neat, Dennis. I mean, I got into Linux about 2 to 3 years. All touch. Okay, let's see. Antonio says all touchpad is not working on the laptop in Arc. No click, no mouse. Okay, so the touchpad is not working. Now, have you tried an external mouse to see if it actually works? Because if it works with an external mouse, that's weird. So on Windows, okay, so Debian Windows, so Arch Linux is the one that has it. Maybe you're missing drivers. Yes, exactly, Donam. It could be, no, not driver issue. Maybe it's just missing drivers. You know what? Since he's already in this topic, let's try to install Arch Linux. Why don't we do that? Let's actually do that. Arch Linux. Okay. Okay. So the external mouse works. Okay, that's good. So what you could do at that time is like in the try to go to the settings and the Arch Linux with the external mouse and see if it, and at that time disconnect it and see if the settings change. If they change, put it back in and try to see and put the same settings that it gives to the external mouse the same to the touchpad. It could be that it's just disabled or it does not recognize it. That's just my theory right now. I'm 100% sure on that. So I'm just gonna try to see if I can just install Arch Linux on my on a virtual machine. So let's see. So I can try to go. This might be a little bit different. Oh yes, I know. I have any. I think I have maybe one or. It's gonna take a little while. Yeah, it's gonna take a little while. Okay, down the torrent. Let's see. I think I have a torrent here. Okay. What am I looking for? Okay, here's the installation guide. Okay, wait, I'm losing you guys because I can't see the chat. Let's see. Okay, I need to use. Huh? It says use a helper script like Arch install. Okay, I'll do that because I do have a few videos about it. On my channel, I did make a guide on how to install it. Very easy. I just don't remember how to do it. Now I'm just trying to just download. Okay, so I got the torrent. I don't think I have a torrent downloaded for this. What's this? You can install. It's now with Arch install. Huh. I didn't know that. I guess I'll try it right now. Why not? Okay, let's. I need a torrent. So I'm gonna download it by torrent. Okay. Let's just wait for that to finish. I'm gonna open my terminal here. Okay, yeah, so I'm just still waiting for that. Okay, what's in? Okay, let's see. So he's still having the issue. It doesn't show info. Okay, maybe instead of using cat, you can try to use nano as well if it's more easier to view. As in like nano, yeah, proc slash bus slash input slash devices. And what else? Yeah, I don't have anything there. But wait, something's missing. Oh yeah. It could be wrong. Wait, this is not a lap. This is a desktop. I don't think it might appear for me. Maybe it did? No, nothing. Okay, wait, I think this right. You missed the C in proc. Oh, I did not notice that. Wait. Okay, wait, this glitched out. It's out. Let's just copy this. And close it. So it should be C. It's still like this. Oh wait. Oh, as now though. Oh. Okay, thank you for that. I did not know that. Oh, that's right. I don't have a touchpad. Okay, gotcha. Thank you, Dennis. Thank you, Alfie. I'll keep that in mind. So he sees his external mouse, but doesn't see the touchpad. Has to be a different way. I could try to relate that. Okay, so this is done. I'm gonna try to see if I can download now. Well, that is a possibility, Dennis, but he did mention that if he uses Windows, it works. So that could not be it, but it could be that as well, if it's disabled. Where am I going? Oh yeah, so where did I save this? Documents, okay. Okay, I have that running. Now I just want to download arc. Where is it? file, add torrent link, home, yep, documents, oh wait, oh no, it's not there, it's in, oh god, I keep forgetting, downloads, there we go, okay. Okay, so now it's just waiting to install Arc, so I just gotta download it first. Okay, yeah, this might take a little bit. So let's go and see if I could try something different. So yes, yeah. Utilities. Let's see, let's also check touchpad, not the tap tip. Has to be something related to that as well. I want to check. You guys are helping him with that. There has to be another issue here. Yes, well the AI is even suggesting this. Someone who was it that suggested same input? I know I saw it in the comments. No. Okay. We mentioned this. No, somebody did. Okay, now I'm mistaken. Okay, there's actually a forum here. So here it's suggesting it's a specific driver is missing, but let's see on the forums. There has to be something else related. See, I'm guessing he's rebooting the chat for a few minutes until he comes back.